Alright, tell me everything about it. Let's start with Bodyworks. What was the inspiration?
So pretty much, so I do drifting, and when we were coming up with a livery, we wanted something that would attract more people who aren't normally into drifting in cars and stuff. And we're like, how can we do this? So we ended up just looking at all these different options, and then we were watching cars one day, and we're like, shit, we should do Lightning McQueen. Like that would be perfect. And then all of a sudden, we're getting it drawn up. Next week, it's on the car, and then
here it is.
Now, and everyone's loving it.
Bro, how do you see through that front windscreen?
So this is just the two-way vision, so it's not as bad. It's actually pretty nice.
Oh yeah, that's
It's quite nice, and then we just have a couple of them, so when they get dirty and stuff, we just swap them in and out. But then the only downfall is if it rains, we can't see it all, so yeah.
That's pretty
so we just
shit.
So we almost didn't come today because we thought it was going to rain, so luckily it didn't. Some of the boys said it was fine here, so we strapped the car up and we're down here now, so. Yeah.
Cool. Alright bro, take us, let's have a look underneath the bonnet, yeah?
So 30B, full cut Bridgeport. We have upgraded water pump from Green Brothers. Quad power, triple pass radiator, stock fans. That's the cheat code of FDs. They
keep working, man, yeah.
Yeah, like can't find a better thing. So, then other than that, we just have the bigger injectors for ethanol. Just the standard Link stuff. It's all powered by Link. That's it. It's my go-to. The 9380, I think it is. EFR. Yeah. We make on high boost. We're making 620 horse, and that's on ethanol.
Wisefab?
Yeah, so we run Wisefab, and then freeway adjustable BC coilovers all round, which is pretty up there for the drifting. So this thing, yeah, she definitely boogies.
Nice bro, well let's I'll put this laptop down and let's jump in and take me for a hit.
Yeah, bro, yeah. What horsepower is it doing now? 620.
Can't you turn it down?
Can we? Yeah. So we just have a little switch.
Yeah, turn it down. Turn it down. Fucking 600.
that's some good timing, bro.
I can't believe it. I'm half deaf in this fucking ear. I didn't have the plug all the way.
Oh yeah,
Fuck,
the
that's
gearbox
loud.
combine's crazy, man.
That's next level. Bro, we just followed the fucking six rotor. Like,
Nasty. Oh, it sounds pretty deadly, yeah.
it goes good, man. Like, it went good, eh?
Yeah,
'Cause
I think he's still on running. I think he's still running it in, and this is sort of like a testing.
I
one,
did a
think.
20-minute interview with him just before. That's what I was doing on that. I just asked him
Oh.
fucking everything, and then I walked over here, did this, and then we've done laps.
And then we just caught him, yeah.
How many
It's
people have
stupid
seen
quick
it?
though.
Yeah, no one could
quick.
say. And everyone was real, I guess, concerned that they're billet plates, because no one's really used billet plates for drifting or circuit racing. But that's got 6 of them, and it just proved, like,
Oh yeah,
Yeah,
oh, so
Darren.
they should be pretty decent then.
Yeah,
They've
well,
got quite
yeah.
a bit of knowledge on their plates
Yeah,
now,
yeah.
so
but it's not proven, like, it's not,
yeah,
you know,
there's no
there's,
one drifting on them.
there's so much speculation there. But
Especially
that
with the
went
6 rotor, it just screams heat. So
good. That went good, man.
yeah, no, it was good.
Like, it kept up, it wasn't
Yeah. How much power does he make? Do you know?
800, made 870 or something.
Oh,
Yeah.
he's just playing around out
Yeah.
there.
That was awesome, bro.
Yeah, no,
Thanks so
cheers,
much,
bro.
man.
That's all good.
Fucking, that was cool.
Yeah.